Welcome back. About 50% of Americans don't go to the dentist, but studies have shown that good oral hygiene can improve your overall health. And joining us for National Dental Hygiene Month is Dr. Mark Olson with West Prairie Dental in Sun Prairie. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for inviting me.
So first, let's talk about how taking care of our teeth can improve our overall health.
Oral health is very important to overall health. It's crucial. I mean, there's multiple studies that link gum disease, the presence of that in your mouth, to multiple health problems such as diabetes, heart disease, low birth weight babies among pregnant people. So that is a big problem, and it makes sense if you think about it, because all your nutrition enters through your mouth, and if there's presence of infection there, it can get in your bloodstream and cause other problems.
And I'm sure it can also have social impacts. You know, they talk about having a nice smile and taking care of that.
Yeah, it's definitely becomes more of an issue for a lot of patients when it affects their front teeth.
So there are a number of reasons why people don't go to the dentist. Let's talk about what some of those are.
The number one reason is fear of dental pain or dental anxiety. There's a recent Columbia University Dental School study that shows, to your point, that over 50 million Americans don't avoid the dentist because of the fear of dental pain. So that's over half the U.S. population right there.
That's
so
very surprising.
Yeah, so that, and there's typically two things that feed into the dental anxiety. The first being past experiences that have been negative. I hear daily stories of people that, you know, I had fillings done as a child or a tooth removed that without any anesthetic, and it was a horrible experience. And,
wouldn't be fun.
Exactly. So the only way to really get over that is, you know, good experiences over and over, and then it kind of suppresses those fears and it becomes a positive experience again. The other issue is kind of the fear of the unknown or the fear of perceived pain. And that is especially important amongst kids, where they're coming to the dentist for the first time and they have never been there, so they don't know what to expect. They rely on their parents, siblings to kind of explain things and say, you know, what they expect and everything. So we encourage parents to bring their children along before age 2 even to one of their cleaning appointments, just to take a ride in the chair, to get a toy from the toy tower and check things out.
And there are some ways now that is helping it to be pain-free for patients. So let's talk about what you have here.
Definitely, yes. This is the DentalVibe. It's a instrument that we use during the dental injection when we're getting the patient numb, and that's the number one fear, is that fear of pain.
Right.
And what this does is you can hear the pulsation there, and it vibrates. So you place this in the area where you're going to deliver the anesthetic, turn that on, you feel the vibration. That vibration travels to your brain faster than the sensation of the pain and blocks that sensation.
All right, so it makes it a little easier. And I'm assuming for Halloween, really quickly, try to avoid too much candy for the kids.
Yes, definitely. And if you do get too much candy, many offices in the area, including ours, is doing a candy buyback.
Okay,
that you can get $1 a pound, and then we send it to the troops that give it to children in other countries overseas.
Sounds good. Well, thank you so much for being here and for your tips today.
Thanks again for inviting me.